for US30, the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. All right. So historical trend lines, retest has been done, rejection we are getting. So the important level to watch out is the level of support, which is the level of 30827. Now let us move to the intraday time frame. I'll take you to the 1 hour time frame for US30. See, the historical trend line is giving rejections, multiple rejections being observed from here. So if it's a breakout, then it'll be a good spike, and we can see the levels up to 32,123. All right. But yes, if this swing is broken and the support level of 30827 is also broken, then we'll see some lower targets as well. All right, we can move level to level. From level to level, you can take a screenshot of these levels. But yes, we follow the price action and all the tactics that we discuss in our video. Do enroll for the courses. The people who are inquiring, I'm very glad and very happy that they want to learn, because they know that this thing is not a gamble. This is pure education, and trading is the best and one of the difficult business in the world. All right, so congratulations to the one who are enrolling. The first enrollments are being given 6% discount. So the fees in the, if you are depositing in the crypto, it is 380 USDT, and the INR, if the fees is 31,490 rupees only. We'll be teaching you the stocks, the forex, and everything, how the market moves and how these markets are distinguished from each other. All right, so I'll take you once more to the 1 day time frame for US30. Alright, so important level has been discussed, 30827, the support level, and after that we have these following levels to be tested. Alright, so you can take a screenshot, and we'll, yeah, and with the confirmation and with the price action and whatsoever, the things that you take to your analysis, and also the 7 to 9 confirmations that I use and tell you for taking any trades in any directions, be it going long or going short, shorting or going long in in the chart. All right, so I hope you get to learn something, and I make some addition to your knowledge in the market trading. All right, so if I do, just subscribe the channel, do follow, go to my Instagram handle, started updating there as well. There is my channel for the Indian market analysis as well, wherein I give the levels and analysis for Nifty and the stocks for next day, and also there's a performance report similar like what I do here. One day I do the analysis and give the levels, and next day we discuss how the levels discussed were respected by the market, how the technicals were respected by the market. Okay, so that's it for today. The levels have been discussed. The crucial support is 30827, and these are the levels which you can play in between. You can scalp it, we can go positional and take our trade. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep your profits intact. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. And yes, stop loss is very important. Okay.